it's Taylor and welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a clean with me / decorate with me for Valentine's Day. This is something kind of new to my channel. This is my fiance's house. Like I mentioned in previous videos, I do live at home with my parents, but I'll be living here in like 9 months, so I figured why not go ahead and start putting stuff into it now. But I'm not really one to do a lot of cleaning videos, but I really enjoy doing those kind of things, decorating for holidays and cleaning. So if this is something you guys are interested in seeing more of, then let me know. But I don't have a lot of Valentine's Day decor, just a few things, and I thought I'd go ahead and film it anyways. So if you enjoy this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. P.S. I did not think I would be filming an intro. That's why I look crazy. So just ignore the fact that I don't have makeup on. I know I say that in a lot of videos, but I just, I hate putting videos up without makeup on. So yeah, but this beanie's cute.